Alright gang, we have made it to our destination! Y'all, I made it to my apartment. I'm in the garage right now. I'm about to go to the leasing office first, and then I'm gonna start unloading my things. I'm gonna unload Maxine. She's in her carrier right now. Yeah, I'm going to have to hurry up so I can get her in ASAP No Rocky. Because if you know, you know. But oh my gosh, guys. I made it, thank you God. I made it, y'all. I'm on my way to the leasing office right now. Let me hurry up. So, Maxine. Alright, got everything. Let me make sure my doors are locked. Alright, boom. Back this bitch up, y'all. Okay, see? She's backed up. Perfect. Boom. Alright, now let me unlock this because I gotta go through an app system. So we need it in the building. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so complicated. Oh, we made it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, Maxine, you ready, Buddha? You ready? This is home, baby. I'm trying to get you out of here. Yeah. Yeah. Wanna go check it out? Our home. Oh my gosh. Ah, we made it. We made it to our home. Thank you, God. Oh man. This is crazy. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Oh, the closet is crazy, but yes. Hold on, y'all. Baby. Yeah. Yeah, this is our place, but she's probably gonna go in here pretty soon. She's probably gonna end up hiding in here while I bring stuff in. Oh, check this out. This is so nice. Oh man. This is my first big girl place. Look at this nice little corner. This is nice. This is nice, man. Things in the top tier. This is nice. Nice. I love that. It's a nice big sink here. Love that. Alright guys, let's get this girls down the balcony. Some light on the backside. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get this party started. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay, I'm not trying to bust an ankle. Got it all out. So that's the start. Adjust these straps so that when I put the other side on, it's not gonna fall. Alright. So I'm putting the bottom. So I'm putting the bottom. Just make this go back. Got this. Gosh, give me strength, Lord. Yeah, we're on the right way. This is working. I tell you, just make sure after this. Child, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Lace tint. Use the bathroom. I set your litter box up. Go use the bathroom. You don't know how to act, do you? Come on, come check out the window. Why are you trying to get in here? Yeah, this is your window, Buddha. Yeah, you liking it? You gonna check it out? Yeah, come on. Girl, you gonna want me to put you in there? Come on, babe. Gonna make it in that window, so he was acting like you ain't wanna get in here. Did that, man. Did that. We gotta return these bad boys. Return them is gone. No more. Trailer is made it out of the Dollar Tree successfully. Load up the car. Just a few essential things, you know. There's alcohol. Got some water. So I could do like a major grocery run. Boy. Wait for my food to get done. I just got it from this sushi and ramen place by the Dollar Tree called Kai. To end this video. It's a mess right now, but you already know it's going to come together sooner rather than later. Buddha, pull up. But yeah, we're about to get into some, now that's TV, I'm about to eat and clean up my place. So yeah, this was from the delicious spot. That's the end of this video.